It's been very wet. I can't believe that my cell phone's soaked, my socks are soaked, my jeans are soaked. I didn't believe that it was going to be this bad. Well, I heard it was going to be record-breaking, but it looks like the Nile River running down the street. It's really bad.
Well, as you can see, it's a lot of rain outside and a lot of wind. It's hard to walk. I'm soaked, and I just wish I was somewhere warm. If this is what people think is romantic, to sit in the rain and kiss, I don't think it's my type of weather.